In a fast-paced culture where life is sped up, we rush through our days completing our tasks, only to feel tired and worn out. Don't you think it's time to take a moment to slow down and enjoy life? So many things we miss with the high-speed, consume it all, experience it all lifestyle. Break free of the constant notifications and feedback from our electronic world. Release the pressure from information overload and the need to respond instantly. Take a moment to reset and release. Force yourself to slow down. This is Life in Slow Motion. Enjoy. Slowing down and focusing on nature allows an appreciation of the simple, little things all around you. Listening to the chirps of birds, watching the trees sway in the breeze, or even gazing into the sky as the clouds slowly float by. This is where you can find more balance and purpose in your life. Capture the moments that truly matter. It's about being intentional with your time. Practice patience, which will inspire stillness. Spend time with yourself to gain a sense of peacefulness and solitude. This will allow you to relax and disconnect from the hassles of everyday life and inspire a positive attitude. The world is truly a peaceful and tranquil place.